Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is baked oatmeal. Now this is great. I've never had it, I've never made it, so if I can do it, you can do it too. Let's get started with some really easy ingredients. Gluten-free oatmeal, flax egg, pumpkin seeds raw, slivered almonds raw, and chopped dates with the pits removed. Now for our maple syrup, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt, which is always optional. Whatever kind of fruit you want, fresh or frozen, and don't forget your plant-based milk. Let's make our flaxseed egg. 2 tablespoons flaxseed to 6 tablespoons of water. Stir and let sit for 10 minutes. Place your dry ingredients into a large bowl and make sure you stir them up thoroughly. Now onto our wet ingredients. Now add in our plant-based milk, maple syrup, and our flax egg. Incorporate really well into the dry ingredients. Now using an 8x8 pan, spray with cooking spray, layer with your fruit, whatever you decide, top it with your oatmeal. Place your oatmeal into a 350-degree preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Once you remove it, let it sit for 10 minutes. Enjoy this amazing baked oatmeal any time of day, breakfast, lunch, love it for dinner. Go to Vegan Gluten-Free Life for the full recipe. Subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and the YouTube channel for more easy-to-follow recipe videos. Have some fun in the kitchen and let me know how you made it your own. Bye!